Bouncing back after a business loss is never easy. It tests not just your strategies, but your spirit. I've been there. But let me tell you, you are not alone, and you are definitely not defeated. Today, I want you to try something simple, but powerful. Say these 10 affirmations with me, and feel the change in your energy. Number 1. This loss is not the end. It's a powerful lesson for my comeback. Every setback is just a setup for something greater. Hold on to that. Number 2. I have the strength and wisdom to rise again, stronger than before. Remember, resilience is your real capital. Number 3. Failure is a stepping stone to my future success. Trust me, every great entrepreneur has faced failure. It's part of the journey. Number 4. I release regret and focus on rebuilding with clarity and purpose. Let go of what's holding you back. Today is a new day, my friend. Number 5. My past does not define me. My actions today do. Take control of your story. Your comeback starts now. Number 6. Every experience is making me a wiser entrepreneur. Each challenge is making you sharper, smarter, and more ready for success. Number 7. I am rebuilding my business with renewed passion and vision. Feel that fire again. Let it fuel your next steps. Number 8. I trust the process and believe in my journey. Sometimes the path isn't clear, but faith in yourself keeps you moving. Number 9. New ideas, resources, and support are flowing to me now. Opportunities are everywhere if you choose to see them. And finally, number 10. I am destined for success. And this is just a chapter, not the conclusion. Your story is far from over. The best is yet to come. Whenever you feel low or stuck, come back to these words. Repeat them. Believe in them. You have what it takes to bounce back stronger than ever. So chin up, heart open, and eyes forward. Your comeback starts now.